much shallow, but you were there, and everything was beautiful, as precious as can be, like everybody else. Then I felt you closer, then it all got better. You took me there. Everything is lovely here, and just maybe I'm in love. Can I fall in love again? Maybe you're the one I needed to take it all away, this pain. Can you fall in love with me and tell me that you care for me? So when I close my eyes, will you be there to let me know that I will be okay? Can I fall in love again this way with you? I think I've been dreaming of the never-ending night. No, for sure. Maybe this is our part. Maybe this can be a start. Can